These recent discussions about the dangers of heading the football, where at least one medical research points to footballers being 3.5 times more likely to develop neurodegenerative diseases leading to death than the general population. So the panic is on, with crazy suggestions raging from banning the practice of heading for youngsters 10 and below and making the heading of the ball at the high school level a foul. One medical practitioner even suggesting that the game can be played without heading the ball. Now, first of all, the body that governs the worldwide game, FIFA, must have done their due diligence with the safety and dangers of the game. And as far as I am concerned, heading is still very much a part of the game. So for Jamaica, by ourselves, to decide that heading the ball is illegal, while the rest of the world continues to play football as is, we would effectively be isolating ourselves from the game, because heading remains such an integral skill in football. To ban such a fundamental skill, especially at the crucial developmental stage, would be to play our version of headless football. And that is overreacting to me. But I am no neurologist. And maybe it's the same constant heading on the football from back in the day, why my head not so good. Yes. That's why my head won't come. That long time head when you say